Hey guys, welcome back, Mr. Math. This is AMC 12A 2024, number 4. What is the least value of n such that n factorial is a multiple of 2024? A11, B21, C22, D23, or E253? So my first thought to do this was to factorize 2024, see what its factors are, right? And see what is its largest prime factor. Because if essentially that should be the answer to n, right? So if we look at 2024, we can break it down 2 times 1,012. 1,012 breaks down to 2 times 506. 506 is 2 times 253. 253. Now, 253, you might look at that and say, well, wait, is that a prime number? And that could be a little bit tricky because it could be kind of hard to know if it is. Um, but essentially, um, what you can do is you can look and see, okay, 253 is equal to 230 plus 23, which is 23 times 10 plus 23 times 1. So therefore, 253 is equal to 23 times 11. So 253 breaks down to 23 times 11. So that means that 2024 can be written as 23 times 11 times 8, which should be contained within 23 factorial. Because 23 factorial would be 23 times 22 times 21, dot, 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 down to 321, which will contain 11 and 8. So n would be 23D. Right. So I think that was also a relatively easy one as long as you were able to recognize that 200, because if you thought that 253 was prime, you would have answered E, but you had to sort of realize that 253 is not prime. One of the divisibility rules that you can check for is divisibility by 11, which says you take the number and you kind of separate its digits and you start by subtracting and you alternately subtracting and adding its digits. So if you start 2 minus 5 is -3, plus 3 is 0. If that result is divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. And technically 0 is divisible by 11. So that would tell you that you can divide 253 by 11, right? So, okay, I thought that one wasn't too bad. All right, I'll see you for number 5.